Hello all, I'm Sotiropoulos, I'm from SingularLogic, and I will briefly go through the Insights tool, which is the people monitoring tool, Service 7 for the Inherit ICT platform. This is the landing page, and very quickly I will go to Dashboard, and here you will see that we already have a list of buildings where we have some information and we can sort them by country. So for example, for Greece we have SLG Lab and ELET. Now we can also go to from here to see the room details, but I will first like to show to this buildings tab where we have the map of the buildings. So here you will see that again we have the same list, but we can also see them on the map. We can view them like that by clicking on view details, or even by double clicking. By clicking once we can see it on map, and by double clicking we can go to the building. So here is the ELET building, where we can very quickly see some information like the total number of rooms, the active rooms, and the current people that are inside the building. We can also see the exact rooms with some tag, whether the room is in good condition or if it is active or even inactive, like we don't send data for this particular room. And by clicking on view room details we can see the exact details for this specific room. So for example, for kitchen we currently have a 60% overall health score. We have 4 metrics that we track, 4 sensors that we have installed, but 6 metrics overall, and the fact that this is in the basement. So here we can see the the current values of the sensors. We can also see the list of the sensors and also go to the history and create a graph for the last values of this specific of a specific sensor for this specific room. Another thing that I would like to show is this blueprints tab, which is very useful. So let's go to ELET. You will see here that we have a blueprint where we have the floor number, like basement, ground floor and first floor, and for each floor we have the number of people that exist in this specific floor. Where applicable, we can also show where the people are. So for example, the 26 people here are all in the basement. Additionally here we show the alerts. The alerts can be shown also from this bell icon. We see that we have 22 alerts, like for people count, for temperature, and we can go to either view all alerts or mark as red. I will go briefly in that, but I would also like to show that by clicking on one of these we can actually see the specific alert, and we can say okay, mark it as red. Okay. So the alerts can overall be shown also by this alerts tab. You see that we mark them as critical, high, medium and low. This is a severity score, let's say. And you will also see that we have different types. So you see that we have the metric here, the room, the value that we currently for which we have the alert, the bounds. Of course this exceeds the bounds, so this is why the severity is high and exceeds a lot. And the type threshold. The threshold type means that this value, the observed value, is out of bounds. We have here a similar case, but the type is not threshold, it is anomaly. And although it is inside the bounds, basically what we say is that we have an online anomaly detection model that detects that although this is inside bounds, it is an anomaly based on the usage of this particular room. So everything can be sorted using this criteria, like give me all severity, high alerts. We can also preview some historical ones, and of course we can see only threshold, or for example only anomalies. So yeah, this is again the overall functionality for this specific service. I hope you found it insightful and meaningful. Thank you for your time.